Good job.
Assalamu alaikum. Dear students of class 6, welcoming to Kamundesa Online School. How are you, dear students? I think you are maintaining the rules of health and staying safe by the mercy of Allah. I am safe too. Dear students, today I would like to take a grammar class on future tense. In the previous classes, I discussed present tense and past tense in detail. Today, I am going to discuss future tense in detail. So, dear students, get ready with all your required things and attend to the class. Let's, future tense also has 4 aspects. They are future indefinite or future simple, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. Let us start with future indefinite tense. Future indefinite or future simple. Indefinite or future simple tense. Future indefinite or future simple tense is used to indicate an action that will happen in the future. That will happen in the future. ভবিষ্যতে ঘটবে কোনো কাজ এমন বুঝালে we use future indefinite tense. Okay. Let us see 2 examples. I shall do the work. You will play football. Here, look, I shall do the work. I have not done the work yet. I shall do it in future. And the second sentence, you will play football. Here, this action has not yet taken place. It will take place or it will happen. Okay. Now, look at the sentences very carefully. To form future indefinite tense, we need modal auxiliary, shall or will. Generally, for first person, that means I and we, shall is used and all other persons will is used. But nowadays, shall is rarely used. Okay? And these 2 modal auxiliaries are followed by base form of or present form of the main verb. Okay. Now, let us see the structures of these tense. Structures. Dear students, please write down the structure and the examples I am giving. Affirmative. Subject plus shall or will plus main verb in present form plus other word. Look at the example. They will arrange. They will arrange a party. Here, the subject will is the modal auxiliary and this is the base form of the principal verb or present form. Another word. Now come to the structure of negative sentence. Subject plus shall not or will not plus verb in present form, principal verb in present form and other word. Okay, look at the example. I shall not go to school tomorrow. I shall not go to school tomorrow. Now I am writing the structure of interrogative sentence. Interrogative. Here, modal auxiliary will take place in the front. Shall or will plus subject plus main verb in present form plus other word. Okay. Will you learn English? Will you learn English? And if the sentence is in negative interrogative, shall or will plus subject plus not plus verb in present form plus other word. Or it can also be replaced by contracted form shan't or won't plus subject plus verb in present form plus other word. Shan't or won't. Shan't is the short form of shall not, and won't is the short form of will not. Okay, I am giving you example. Will they not start a new business? Will they not start a new business? Or I can also write won't they start a new business? Now, dear students, come to future continuous tense. Future continuous tense. Future continuous tense refers to an action which will be in progress for some time in the future. ভবিষ্যতে কোনো কাজ চলতে থাকবে, কিছু সময় চলতে থাকবে, এরকম বোঝালে আমরা future continuous tense ব্যবহার করব। Let us see the structure. Subject plus shall be or will be. Subject plus shall be or will be plus main verb with ing form plus other word. Look at the example. It will be raining. It will be raining cats and dogs. মুষলধারে বৃষ্টি হতে থাকবে. Now come to the negative structure. This structure is affirmative. Now come to the negative structure. Structure of negative sentence. Subject plus shall not be or will not be. Subject plus shall not be or will not be plus verb plus ing plus other word. Okay? Look at the example. They will not be playing in the field. They will not be playing in the field. Okay? Here look, subject will not be verb plus ing and extension. Now come to the structure of interrogative sentence in future continuous tense. Shall or will plus subject plus be plus verb plus ing plus other word. Look, will she be reciting a poem? Will she be reciting a poem? Okay? And if the sentence is negative interrogative, then I'm giving the example only. Will you not be writing a letter? Will you not be writing a letter? Or won't you be writing a letter? Okay? Will you not be writing a letter? Now, let us see future perfect tense. Future perfect tense. Future perfect tense is used for an action which will be or that will be completed by a certain future time. ভবিষ্যতে কোনো নির্দিষ্ট সময়ে কোনো কাজ হয়ে থাকবে। ভবিষ্যতে কোনো নির্দিষ্ট সময়ে কোনো কাজ হয়ে থাকবে, এরূপ বোঝালে আমরা ফিউচার পারফেক্ট টেন্স ব্যবহার করে থাকি। ওকে, let us see the structure of affirmative sentence. At first, subject plus shall have or will have plus, look here, after subject shall have or will have will be used as auxiliary verb and the main verb will be in past participle form. Past participle form plus other word. Okay, look at the example. I shall have finished. I shall have finished I shall have finished reading the book by 5 p.m. I shall have finished reading the book by 5 p.m. Look, this is subject, and as it is first person shall is used, and as it is future perfect tense, shall have is used, and this is the main verb, and the main verb is in past participle form or third form of the verb, and this is the extension. বিকাল 5টার মধ্যে আমি বইটা পড়ে শেষ করে থাকবো। ওকে, now let us see the structure of negative sentence in this tense. Subject plus shall not have, subject plus shall not have or will not have plus verb in past participle form. Okay, they will not have left the house by November. Okay, now come to the interrogative. Shall or will plus subject plus have plus verb in past participle form. Past participle form plus other word. Okay, shall we have learned? Shall we have learned? Shall subject have principal verb in past participle form, learn, learned, learned. Yes. Okay, Now, dear students, I think you have understood how to write sentences in future perfect tense. Now, let us see future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense is used for actions which will be in progress over a period of time that will end in future. ভবিষ্যতে কোনো নির্দিষ্ট সময় শেষ হওয়ার পূর্ব পর্যন্ত কোনো কাজ চলতে থাকবে, এরূপ বোঝালে we use future perfect continuous tense. Let us see the structure and examples. Here, subject plus shall have been or will have been plus principal verb will be in verb plus ing verb plus ing plus other verb plus for or since plus time. There can be another clause too if there is no for and time or since and time. Look, I'm giving an example. They will have been, they will have been cultivating, they will have been cultivating the land for 2 hours. তারা 2 ঘন্টা ধরে জমি চাষ করতে থাকবে। ওকে, now come to the structure of negative sentence. Shall not have been or will not have been. Okay, let us turn this sentence into negative. They will not have been cultivating the land for 2 hours. Okay, and if you turn this sentence into an interrogative, how will be the structure? Look, interrogative. Shall or will. You know, for first person I will shall is used, and all other persons will is used. Shall or will plus subject plus have been plus verb plus ing plus other verb plus for or since plus time. And as usual, you have to use mark of interrogation. Will they have been playing in the field for 3 hours. And if you turn this into negative interrogative, you can write, won't they have been playing in the field for 3 hours. Okay, dear students, due to some technical problem, I could not give you homework in the previous class. Now, today I am giving you homework and I have added the previous homework with 2 days homework. So, dear students, please write down the homework. Write sentences using the following verbs in the past perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future indefinite or future simple, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. Continuous tense. And the verbs are write, teach, and sing. Okay, these 3 verbs. You will use these 3 verbs in sentences, and you will write sentences in past perfect continuous, and all the tenses in future. Okay, dear students, please do your homework and please remember the structure of all the tenses. This will be very essential for you. And in the next class, we will discuss changing sentence. So, thank you.